So we're in Tower 3, apartment 101 in Miragio Cacupé. As we come in, we get this amazing open integrated kitchen and living area. You see, very spacious. This apartment, just so you know, has approximately 176 square meters. So as it comes, it already comes with a boiler. It's something that the developer provides. This is your service area. You stick your washing machine, etc. there. There's another entrance this way into the building, and here a social bathroom. So it already comes with stones and sink. Let's go into the intimate area, and then after I shall show you the balcony. So first of ensuite bedrooms. So it comes with toilet basin, stone, sink. So it's what the developer, one of the unique features of the developers, normally apartments come completely bare, but here you've got the boiler, you've got the stonework, you've got toilets, etc. So here you go. Nice big windows, electronic blinds. They can be automated, even a sea view from this room here. We're now going into the master bedroom. So let's check this out. So nice big bathroom. His and hers sink. Good space for the shower as well. So here's the main part. Look at this beautiful lighting. Imagine waking up to this wonderful view of the ocean. What we're going to do is we're going to step outside as well. So you've got all this balcony that runs around the back. And look how generous this balcony space is. So there you go, looking back in the living area, and you've got the Brazilian barbecue. Fantastic space. You can even close this off with glass that slides across as well, and you can see through there as well. Another bit of an ocean view. You got the mountains and you can see the mainland Florianopolis. So this could be yours for approximately 3,022,000 reais.